Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the next part of our Shopify tutorial. In this video, we will be going over the notifications tab. So of course, before we get into this video, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. After that, hit the link down below in our description to join our Facebook group where we talk about sublimation. And last but not least, we are the owners of Cosmos Ink. So if you need any type of sublimation ink or pigment ink for your business, be sure to hit that link down below. We'll get it sent out to you ASAP. So this is possibly going to be the quickest tutorial for this portion. And when you click on your notifications tab underneath your settings tab on your left hand side, when you click on the notifications tab, it's going to give you pretty much a breakdown of each notification that will be sent out to your customer for this first portion. All right, it says customer notifications. These notifications are automatically sent out to the customer. Click on the notification template to edit the content. I recommend not editing anything on this list right here at all. It's already perfectly set up. Shipping, I don't recommend doing anything right here. Nothing under local, nothing under local pickup. Customer, I don't recommend doing nothing. Email marketing, returns, nothing. I won't do anything on any of that stuff. You can do a double opt-in, which honestly, I wouldn't even recommend clicking that. If they opt in the first time, you know, they opt in. After that, you have Shopify email open tracking. Make sure this one is selected where it tracks if they open the email. So that way on your back end, you can know how to pretty much refocus your marketing efforts and or edit your emails. So that way, you know what to put in your emails to get a better response for people to open the emails. After that, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see right here where it says staff order notifications. If you do not want your email just getting blowed out with new orders that are coming in, of course, that's definitely a blessing. To say the least, that is a blessing, but sometimes it can overcrowd your inbox and stuff like that. So for us, we are going to click right here on disable. So that way it won't send us an email saying that we have a new order. However, as a business owner, you need to be on it every single day, Monday through Friday, or whatever days you set that are your at work days during your work hours. You need to be on it like every day. As soon as you wake up, get on Shopify, check to see if you have any orders, and then just go ahead and start knocking them out and or double checking with the person and see if there's anything they need to be edited or just, you know, whatever. But go ahead and do that. But as far as continuously getting notifications when people place the order, I'll just disable that. All right, so just go right here and hit disable. After that, it automatically saves, so you can just hit back on the button right there, and it'll take you back to your main settings screen. All right, so that is it for this part of the tutorial. I will see you all in the very next video, and once again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After you do that, be sure to join our Facebook group. You can hit the link down in the description where we talk about sublimation. And last but not least, if you need any type of sublimation ink or pigment ink for your business, hit that link down below. We are the owners of Cosmos Ink, and we'll get it sent out to you ASAP. All right, so that's it. I will see you all in the very next video. Angelo out.